How to deposit money to Coinbase from bank. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Gig. In today's video, I'll show you how you can transfer money to your Coinbase account from your bank. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, method I'm going to show you is through a bank wire transfer, and a wire is the electronic transfer of money from one bank to another. When you execute a bank wire transfer, you effectively instruct your bank to transfer the cash from your account to your Coinbase account. So in order to initiate a wire transfer from your bank account to your Coinbase account, just open your browser and visit the official Coinbase website. I'll also make sure to leave a link in the description box, which is pro.coinbase.com or simply coinbase.com as well. Enter your credentials to sign in if you're not already signed in. And once you've signed in, you'll see this kind of interface. Here you have to simply click on the trade button from the bottom left of the screen to navigate to the trading section of our accounts. Once we do so, under wallet balance, just select the option called deposit, and the wallet balance tab is on the left hand side of the screen. I'm sure you can see it over here. Select deposit and then click on the currency type and select USD from the drop down menu. So in most cases it's USD, so obviously you have to select it up. Once you do so, select the option called the wire transfer. Then you'll be provided with a unique reference code for a personal account number to help you initiate the transfer, and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. And once you have initiated a bank wire transfer, the money is credited to your Coinbase account within 24 hours. In fact, if you initiate the process by 1 p.m. PT, the money will be hit your account on the same day. Hope this video helps you as to how you can deposit money to your Coinbase via bank. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.